It's time for a wellness revolution. Brought to you by Hotze Health and Wellness Center. Honest discussion on maintaining health and wellness naturally to enjoy a better quality of life.
He's the doctor fighting to let you keep your doctor.
Now, Dr. Stephen Hotze.
Welcome to Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution. This is Stacy Banfield here with Dr. Stephen Hotze, founder of the Hotze Health and Wellness Center. And as always, if you have not downloaded our podcasts, please do so at hotzepodcast.com. That's HOTZE podcast.com. Now, we always talk about how you want to feel better, but what if you want to look better? We have got an exciting topic today, and it is stem cell facials. Wow. Take it away, Dr. Hotze.
Thank you, Stacy, and thank each one of you for joining us today on Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution. And, of course, I'm Dr. Hotze, and it's my wellness revolution. I'm glad you're part of it. I want you to know that I believe that you and every individual needs a doctor who has the ability and the knowledge to coach you onto a path of health and wellness naturally. So as you mature, you enjoy a better quality of life without having to take a bunch of pharmaceutical drugs. Now, does that make sense? If it does, and I'm glad you're tuned in today. Today, we're going to talk about how you can obtain and maintain a beautiful face, skin on your face, naturally, without having to resort to pharmaceutical drugs, which aren't going to make your face look any better. And we're going to talk about a skin pin stem cell therapy program that we offer at Hotze Health and Wellness Center in our aesthetic department. And the head of our aesthetic department, our director, is Brittney Wranik. Brittney, glad to have you here today.
Nice to be here, Dr. Hotze.
Great. So tell us about this skin pin stem cell therapy program that we have going.
Sure. So just like in the Wellness Center in the aesthetics department here at Hotze, we are really committed to making sure that we bring to you healthy and natural options for caring for your skin. So we want to make sure that we're avoiding using harmful chemicals or invasive procedures. But of course, when we're using natural skincare options, we also want to look for something that's a little bit more cutting edge, that's going to give us a little bit more of an aggressive result. So recently, we've brought in a new and exciting product. It's actually a stem cell byproduct that we're applying with our skin pen microneedling procedure. And this byproduct is called Restoracell Skin Complex, and it's compounded by BioHope Sciences Laboratories.
Right. Hope Biosciences is a stem cell company in town that grows stem cells for individuals for re-injecting those stem cells back in the body. When stem cells are grown in media, they produce secretions that are known as exosomes, and those excretions have profound effects on the cells in our body. That's one of the reasons stem cells are effective. Not only do stem cells, not only are they pluripotent, that when you put them into the body, they go to the site where damage has occurred, and they become that type of cell. For instance, you had damage in your heart, you send stem cells to your heart, they turn into heart cells. You send them into your liver, they turn into liver cells. You send them into your joints, they turn into cartilage. So stem cells have a very profound effect on these various organs when they go there, and part of the effect is caused by the excretion or the secretion of these exosomes. These are proteins and various RNA and DNA products that are secreted by the stem cells that enable the cells in the vicinity to communicate with the new stem cells so they can grow into being the cell where they're needed, whether it's heart, liver, lung, wherever. So the exosomes have a really profound effect on the health of cells. And what the people at Hope Biosciences found out is that, and across the country people have found out, that these exosomes really have a profound and wonderful beneficial effect on the skin. When you apply it to the skin, they have growth factors that stimulate production of collagen, elastin, and other things that help bring your skin back to life so you look younger and more beautiful. How's that? So tell us how this works. How does the skin pen work, and how do you do that?
Sure. So they started using this in skincare, like the aesthetics procedures like Skin Pen, because these cells have been so effective at healing tissue from injuries like burns or severe injuries in medicine. So with Hope Biosciences, we've started applying this with our microneedling procedure. Our microneedling procedure actually creates little microchannels in the skin that opens up the skin's ability to absorb helpful products like these stem cell byproducts. And so when we apply it with this microneedling procedure, it can accelerate results. So it accelerates the reduction of fine lines, wrinkles, pore size, even acne scarring, and really coarse texture as well.
And so if you're interested in not only feeling better, but looking better, we have a new therapy here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center in our aesthetics department, and that is the skin cell byproduct fine needle point treatment that will allow your body to receive, your skin to receive these wonderful beneficial exosomes from stem cells to stimulate new collagen production, elastin production, and firm up your skin and give it a new, really, to rejuvenate your skin. That's what you want it to do. So we want you here at the Hotze Health and Wellness not only to feel well, I want you to look good too. So thank you. And you look beautiful. If you go on this Skin Pen, I'm not going to promise you, but you look almost as beautiful as this young lady looks. Look at her skin, how beautiful it is. And that's the way you want your skin to look, I'm sure. So don't hesitate to give us a call. Who do they call here?
You want to call us at 281-698-8770.
281-698.
So 281-698-8770.
I'm Dr. Hotze, thanking you for joining us today on The Wellness Revolution. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Information provided on this radio program is neither intended nor implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice and is not intended to replace the services of a physician, nor does it constitute a doctor-patient relationship. You should not use information from this radio program to diagnose or treat a health problem or disease without consulting with a qualified healthcare provider. If you have or suspect you have an urgent medical problem, promptly contact a professional healthcare provider or call 911. Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution radio program advises you to always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider prior to starting any new treatment or with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Any application of the recommendations from this radio program is at the listener's discretion.